Historical haunts, RVing to America's most haunted locations. Imagine this: the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across your RV. You're parked for the night, not in a bustling campground, but outside a place steeped in legend and lore. Yes, we're talking about America's most haunted locations, where history whispers through the walls, and the past is anything but forgotten. For the intrepid RVing family with a penchant for the paranormal and a love for history, these destinations offer an unforgettable journey into the heart of America's ghostly heritage. 1. The Myrtles Plantation, Louisiana. Nestled in the historic heart of Louisiana, the Myrtles Plantation is often cited as one of America's most haunted homes. With a history marred by tragedy and mystery, it's a must-visit for those intrigued by the supernatural. Park your RV nearby and take a guided tour to learn about the plantation's eerie past, including tales of the infamous Chloe and the ghostly children who are said to roam the grounds. Just don't be surprised if your photos capture more than you bargained for. 2. Gettysburg Battlefield, Pennsylvania. No list of haunted locations would be complete without Gettysburg, the site of the Civil War's bloodiest battle. The energy here is palpable, with many visitors reporting ghostly encounters and unexplained phenomena. Boondock in the vicinity, and explore the battlefield at dawn or dusk for a truly spine-tingling experience. Join a nighttime ghost tour to hear stories of soldiers who linger on the hallowed ground, and keep your eyes peeled for spectral figures in the mist. 3. The Stanley Hotel, Colorado. Famed as the inspiration for Stephen King's The Shining, the Stanley Hotel in Estes Park offers more than just breathtaking Rocky Mountain views. Its storied past and reputed hauntings make it a fascinating stop for ghost hunters and history buffs alike. While RVs can't park overnight at the hotel, nearby campgrounds offer a perfect base to explore this iconic haunt. Take a guided spirit tour to learn about the hotel's ethereal residents, and perhaps encounter the playful spirits that roam its historic halls. 4. Alcatraz Island, California. Off the coast of San Francisco, Alcatraz Island beckons with tales of infamous inmates and chilling accounts of spectral sightings. While you can't park your RV on the rock, nearby urban RV parks provide a unique urban camping experience. Take the ferry over and join a night tour for an eerie exploration of the prison after dark, where whispers from the past echo through the abandoned cell blocks. 5. The Queen Mary, California. Docked permanently in Long Beach, the Queen Mary is a floating hotel with a ghostly crew. Once a grand ocean liner and wartime troop ship, it's now known for its paranormal residents, including the spirit of a young girl who drowned in the ship's pool. Nearby RV parks make it easy to stay close, allowing you to delve into the ship's haunted history, explore its Art Deco elegance, and maybe encounter a ghost or two. 6. Savannah, Georgia. Savannah, with its cobblestone streets and moss-draped oaks, is often dubbed America's most haunted city. Its historic district is a tapestry of haunting tales, from the sorrowful spirits of Colonial Park Cemetery to the eerie entities of the Sorrel-Weed House. Park your RV at one of the many nearby campgrounds and immerse yourself in the city's ghostly lore through walking tours that reveal the dark history lurking behind Savannah's southern charm. 7. The Lizzie Borden House, Massachusetts. For a dose of true crime with your paranormal, park your RV in Fall River, Massachusetts, and step into the Lizzie Borden Bed and Breakfast. This infamous home, site of the unsolved Borden murders, offers tours that explore the mystery and macabre of one of America's most notorious unsolved crimes. For the truly brave, an overnight stay in one of the house's haunted rooms promises an unforgettable night. 8. Eastern State Penitentiary, Pennsylvania. Philadelphia's Eastern State Penitentiary, with its crumbling cell blocks and eerie isolation wings, offers a glimpse into a bygone era of penology and its ghostly aftermath. Park your RV in the city and venture into this abandoned prison, where day tours and nighttime investigations reveal the stories of inmates who may never have left. 9. Jerome, Arizona. Perched high on Cleopatra Hill, the town of Jerome was once a bustling copper mining camp. Now, it's better known for its spectral residents, earning it the title of the largest ghost town in America. With RV-friendly spots nearby, you can explore haunted buildings, old mines, and learn about the spirits that linger in this quirky, historic town. 10. Waverly Hills Sanatorium, Kentucky. Once a tuberculosis hospital, Waverly Hills Sanatorium in Louisville is a hotspot for paranormal activity, with countless reports of ghostly sightings and unexplained events. Though RV parking on site isn't an option, nearby campgrounds offer a base to explore this daunting edifice, where guided tours delve into its haunted history and tragic past. Making it memorable, engage with history, beyond the chills and thrills, delve into the rich history of each site. Understanding the stories behind the hauntings adds depth to your adventure. Respect the spirits. Remember, these locations are steeped in real history and tragedy. Approach each site with respect for those who came before. Capture the moments. Keep a journal or blog of your ghostly road trip. Not just for the eerie encounters, but for the historical insights and family memories made along the way. Safety first. Always follow local regulations, especially when boondocking. Ensure your RV is secure, and respect any guidelines set by haunted locations. RVing to America's most haunted locations offers a unique blend of adventure, history, and mystery. It's a journey that promises not just ghostly tales, but a deeper connection to the past, making each stop a memorable chapter in your family's travel saga. So, gather your courage, chart your course, and embark on an RV journey where history and haunt meet at the crossroads of America's most spirited destinations.